We are installing a lifter assembly on a C11 engine. This assembly has been already put together. If you want to see how that's done, check out the playlist on my channel, C11 Engine Rebuild. There's no gasket or O-ring needed for this. It gets bolted straight to the block. You need to lay it in there and fold the lifters back so that you can work on it and push the brackets into position. When you slide the brackets into position to bolt it down, just remember each end bracket has a roll pin pressed into it that's used as a guide stud, and there's a little hole in the block to accept it. The middle brackets, which are the larger square ones, they are flat underneath and you don't have to align anything other than the hole, but if you just get each end bracket right, it'll sit in the right position for you. Wind each bolt in and just check that it goes in freely and that the assembly's sitting in the right spot on the block, and then you can fold your lifters over for now so that we can torque the assembly down. Same thing with all the bolts, leave them up with anti-seize and engine oil mixed together underneath the head of the bolt and the threads. Once all the brackets are sitting flat on the block, you can run the bolts down. I'm just running them down lightly with a rattle gun, and then I'll torque it with a torque wrench. These bolts get torqued down to 60 Newton meters, and it doesn't give you a torque pattern for it, so I'm just starting in the middle and working my way out. It's not a bad idea to torque it down first and then go through and give each bracket a tap with a soft hammer just to make sure that it's sitting flat. We need to also make sure that our cam and followers are lubricated, because we're still going to be turning the engine over to do valve lash injector timing. So we're putting a bit of assembly grease on the cam lobe. When we've completed the engine rebuild, what we're going to do is pour the 35 litres of engine oil over the overhead, and it'll run down into this area and lubricate everything a lot better. Now on these engines, if you want to pull these lifters out, well, you've got to pull the cylinder head off. If you want to pull the camshaft out, well, you've got to pull the cylinder head off. So there's a bit of a design flaw there, but at the same time these are extremely robust and you get great life out of them. So as long as nothing goes wrong, you're not going to be down here working on this unless you're doing a head gasket. If you enjoyed this video, check out some of the other videos in the C11 playlist, and like and subscribe to my channel.